Professor Andrade, thank you for being here. Thank you for agreeing to this interview. It's going to be short questions, I promise. First one, you talked about cardiac embolism yesterday afternoon. Can you tell us what profile of patient should we select when we choose to do some additional diagnostics about cardiac source of embolism? Is it every person who has embolism or just specific one?
Yeah, in general, people that are elected for echocardiogram to search for a cardiac source embolus are patients with stroke. Many times are patients with stroke. Because in the other scenarios, like for instance in endocarditis, or we already have a diagnosis, we already know that this patient has a cardiac condition that is prone to suffer embolisms. Like for instance, in acute myocardial infarction, that we know that this situation can occur. So it's mainly in patients after a stroke.
Okay, thank you. You're a cardiologist. If you were not, what would you be actually?
If I was a doctor,
yes.
Maybe now I think there are other specializations that I would like. If, for instance, anesthetics, I think it's a very nice specialization. And if I was not a doctor, maybe I would like to do something in history or arts or something like that.
Art is fine. Can you tell me, was it difficult to manage the balance between your personal and professional life? Is it always harder for women than men in cardiology, or maybe we just think so?
No. In fact, it was not difficult because my husband is also a doctor, and we spent some time during specialization abroad. So he was in US, I was in Italy, in Pisa. So and we are very open-minded, and we divided all tasks at home, and so it's easy. It was easy.
Thank you. Can you tell me what's your favorite thing in Belgrade? You're not here the first time. Is there something you prefer, or something you like the most?
What I like the most is people, is friends.
Can you just tell me, if someone decides to come to your country? I'm actually planning to come, so this is why I'm asking
Fantastic.
you. Is there something I have to see or a place I have to visit? What would you suggest, actually?
Yeah, I think Lisbon is a wonderful city. I just read the news and just read that Lisbon is elected a better city to live in than Paris or New York or other very nice capitals. So if you come there, you tell me in advance, and I will show you the places that you wouldn't miss.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope we didn't get too much of your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.